You can't hold me down. 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 You can't hold me. In our metal junk pile, we found a bed frame. So we're gonna have this as our arms. Plans are right now, I mean, it might change as I'm making it, but this is gonna bolt to the log splitter. It's gonna have that frame to come out. It's gonna be probably flipped over. And then I found a little crate in there that I'm gonna use. I'll show you that in a bit, but I'm gonna cut this off, and then we're probably gonna cut another piece of this off to have it go down, to give it an angle and give a support bracket. And this is just gonna bolt onto it. And then I found this also in our scrap pile. It's crate, and that's gonna be the shelf. So we're gonna cut it off right here. Then that's gonna set on those brackets. And then when we're splitting wood, 1/2 will fall on here instead of falling on the ground. So it's gonna save a lot of time of bending over and picking it up and having any log maybe fall on your feet and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. And I found all this metal in our scrap pile. So right here's the 2 holes, and then there's one right here that we're gonna attach that bracket to build our little shelf out. Alright, I'm going to cut this down to size, and we want the shelf to be about this big, so I'm going to cut this part off. All right, now I'm drilling a hole in this top part so I can bolt it in, bolt it on. There we have them. And then I'm also going to go ahead and cut these off so I have plenty of room to put it where I want on there.
Those that can't see what's going on here, they'll come out and things to sit there. We might end up putting 2x4s here to raise it up to here. Depends on how some of the logs fall off. I'm assuming the more drop it has, the more chances of it has to roll. So if we put it up higher, it might just fall over. But we'll see. We may have to change it later. I just got washers and a lock washer on there. And the concept is having this on here. I'm not going to catch any logs when they slide off when they're split. Half of it's going to go off and hopefully it'll catch here. So I might even put some little hooks coming up. But again, we might put some 2x4s in there to get that to come up to here. We'll see. And it already has some holes here for me, so I don't even have to move that. I also got some bolts to hold that stuff down as well. All right, that's the finished creation. Girl might want to see this.
Don't forget it! He's gonna get his ass fucked! That's the boy does. You're gonna get your ass